Hi friends, how are you? I hope you are doing well. So before we start, let me remind you with hello, which means مرحبا, and how are you, which means كيف الحال. And according to the time on your country, you will tell me how to say good morning. Yeah, صباح الخير. And the reply, what will it be? صباح النور. Perfect. And then if it's evening, مساء الخير, and the reply will be مساء النور. Perfect. So let's get started with a new topic for today, which will be the adjectives and also the demonstrative tools. So we'll use this and that, like with singular, مفرد, with some nouns and adjectives. So let's go for it. Are you ready? Yeah, prepare your notebook and pen and write with me. It will be better for you. So we'll start with this and that for singular. Actually, in Arabic, this have two meanings. One for male, one for female. And that also has two meanings, one for male, one for female. So let's start with this. This for male is هذا. 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 This for female is هذه. هذه. هذا هذه. هذا هذه. Let's repeat. Again. Yeah, ذال must be very clear. هذا. هذا. Okay, then we go to that. That it's ذلك تلك. ذلك تلك. So if the thing we are pointing at or we are talking about is close, we say هذا if it's male, هذه if it's female. And if it's far, we say ذلك if it's male and تلك if it's female. Are we okay now? Let's repeat ذلك and تلك because we didn't. ذلك تلك. Okay. So all of them will be هذا, هذه, ذلك, تلك. Let's go forward. So now we use some names with adjectives because like when you use هذا, هذه, we need to follow them with nouns. So for example, I want to say this is a girl or this girl. Okay, so I say هذه فتاة. Or if I'm saying this girl, I say هذه الفتاة. So this is a girl, هذه فتاة. And this girl, هذه الفتاة. Okay, so I'll give you now an adjective to describe this girl. So let's say she is beautiful. So we'll say جميلة. جميلة. And we'll make it same like if we said هذه فتاة, we say جميلة without ال. And if we said هذه الفتاة, we say الجميلة with ال. It means altogether, this is a beautiful girl or this beautiful girl. Okay, so now let's go with another noun and another adjective, and we'll take الولد. الولد, which is the boy. It has another synonym which is الصبي. Let's go for الولد now. هذا we'll use. Why? Because it's a male, as we said. هذا. With الفتاة, which was female, we used هذه. Now, هذا الولد. And about جميلة, we'll use it same, but what we'll do, we'll remove the تا مربوطة because تا مربوطة is for feminine only. So, هذا الولد جميل. جميل. So, beautiful is جميل. Okay. Now, do you think this girl and that boy are close or far? Yeah, exactly. They are nearby, they are close because I have mentioned هذا and هذه. So, what if they are far? Now, let's take how they are far. I will use the same sentences just to let you know how to use them now. So, we said that means ذلك for male and تلك for female. So, we use them with the same sentences. تلك الفتاة جميلة. ذلك الصبي جميل. Or تلك الفتاة الجميلة. ذلك الصبي الجميل. It depends on what do you mean with the sentence. Like for example, the first one, هذه الفتاة جميلة. This girl is beautiful. You are giving in use. But هذه الفتاة الجميلة, this pretty girl you are describing. So it's an adjective. So the adjective will follow. If there's L, there will be L. If there's no L, there will be no L. So ذلك الولد الجميل. تلك الفتاة الجميلة. So now 4 things. The first one, if they are near, close. هذا الولد جميل. هذه الفتاة جميلة. ذلك far here, far. ذلك الولد جميل. تلك الفتاة جميلة. Perfect. So let's use another noun and another adjective. So we'll use here a profession which is الطبيب. الطبيب is the doctor. So the doctor also you can say دكتور. دكتور also you can say. So I will use طبيب here. So if it's close, what shall I use? هذا or ذلك? Perfect. I will take هذا. Then I would say the name. هذا الطبيب جيد. جيد means good. جيد. Stressing on يا. جيد. هذا الطبيب جيد. Then if she's طبيبة, doctor, as female, we'll say, yeah, tell me what is the demonstrative tool here? هذه. Perfect. هذه الطبيبة جيدة. Okay. Now if they are far away, we'd say, yeah, ذلك. Perfect. ذلك الطبيب جيد. And if she's a female, far, تلك الطبيبة جيدة. What was الطبيبة again? Yeah, doctor for female. And what was جيدة? Perfect. Good for female. So as we know now how we use هذا, هذه, ذلك, تلك, and we know little adjectives and nouns. So we are okay now to start using them, and I want you to memorize them very well and follow up with me with the next video. And see you soon. Bye bye. مع السلامة.
Emtees Academy.